In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for budgeting. Whether you're managing personal expenses or planning a group budget, Trello's organizational power, combined with specific tools, can streamline your budgeting process seamlessly. To start, head over to your Trello board. Once there, let's focus on utilizing Trello's features to enhance your budgeting experience by adding power-ups. These are essentially plugins that can give your Trello board extra capabilities. Click on the Power Ups button located in your board's menu, then select Add Power Ups. You'll find a search bar where you can look for a power up called Colorful Budget. Just type the name in and hit search. Once you've found it, you'll want to click on Add to integrate it into your board. After adding, simply close the menu to get back to your main view. With the Colorful Budget power up ready, it's time to start organizing your budget categories. Click on Add Category, then give your new budget category a name. Be clear and specific with this so you know exactly what expenses or transactions will fall under each category in the future. Now add a touch of clarity and fun by selecting a specific color for this category. Colors can help visually differentiate your categories and make your board more intuitive to navigate. Next, move on and click on the Goals option. Here you can set specific spending and funding goals, giving you a clear target for your financial management. Establishing these goals will help keep your expenses and savings balanced, promoting a healthier financial overview. If you'd like, you can also add a label to further specify the category or set priorities. After doing so, simply click Create. Your budget category is now ready for use. Whenever prompted, click Allow to grant necessary permissions for the power-ups to function effectively. With permissions set, you're able to proceed smoothly. Let's put everything into practice with an example. Click on Add a Card to create a new purchase or expense entry. Name this card according to your transaction. For example, if you're tracking groceries, you might call this card Bread. Click on your newly created Bread card. In here, you can enter the specific expense amount related to that particular purchase. Once you've entered the expense, close the menu. Trello automatically updates the financial details in your budgeting overview based on the information provided. As you continue to add items and evaluate expenses, you'll find that all expenses are seamlessly reflected on your board. This visibility gives you quick access to your financial standing and helps you make informed decisions with just a glance. And there you have it. With these steps, using Trello for budgeting becomes an organized and visually engaging process, empowering you to stay on top of your financial goals with ease.